If you want to know why your refrigerator will fail exactly at year 5, do not ask the appliance salesman. Ask someone whose 15-year-old refrigerator still functions perfectly, while their new $2,000 refrigerator failed after 5 years. Ask an independent repair shop owner why manufacturers are trying to shut down his business through legal intimidation. These professionals understand something that appliance corporations desperately conceal. Modern refrigerators are engineered to fail at precise intervals. The failure is deliberate. The timing is calculated. The repair is intentionally made impossible. Today, I am revealing the illegal repair scam manufacturers use to force replacement cycles and eliminate competition from independent technicians. Before we continue, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. We expose appliance industry deception and celebrate consumer repair rights every single week. If you care about owning a refrigerator that will last decades instead of 5 years, subscribing ensures you never miss this content. Now let us reveal the illegal repair scam destroying appliance longevity. The planned failure timeline. Here is what repair technicians see repeatedly. A customer purchases a new LG or Samsung refrigerator for $2,200. The machine works perfectly for 5 years. Then the compressor fails. The compressor is the heart of the refrigerator. Replacing it costs $1,200 to $1,500. That is over half the original purchase price. The customer faces a choice: repair the 5-year-old refrigerator or buy new. Most buy new. The manufacturer profits enormously. This is not accidental. This is engineered obsolescence with mathematical precision. The 5-year timeline is deliberate. Manufacturer research discovered that 5 years is the psychological breaking point. Customers tolerate minor failures, but at 5 years, they believe the refrigerator is reaching and they choose replacement over repair. The manufacturer timed the major component failure to coincide with this psychological threshold. The compressor failure is not a design flaw. It is a design feature. The compressor degradation secret. The compressor failure involves deliberate material choices. Modern refrigerator compressors use lower-grade metals and cheaper lubricants compared to compressors from 30 years ago. The metal composition degrades under pressure and temperature cycling. The lubricant breaks down faster. Over 5 years, the compressor metal becomes brittle. The moving parts experience excessive friction. The compressor fails catastrophically. A compressor from a 1985 refrigerator functions perfectly today at 40 years old. A compressor from a 2019 refrigerator will fail at 5 years. This is not technological regression. This is intentional material downgrade. Manufacturers chose cheaper materials knowing the failure timeline. They calculated the profit from replacement cycles. The decision was made at corporate level. The sealed system repair prevention. Modern refrigerator cooling systems are sealed. The compressor, condenser, and evaporator are permanently connected and sealed. If one component fails, the entire system must be replaced. The repair cost exceeds $1,500. In older refrigerators, components were replaceable. A technician could replace the evaporator without replacing the compressor. A technician could replace the condenser independently. The sealed system design prevents this. It forces complete system replacement. This design choice benefits manufacturers, not consumers. A sealed system maximizes replacement revenue. An open system allows component-level repair. Manufacturers deliberately chose the sealed design, knowing it would eliminate repair viability. The illegal software locks. Modern refrigerators contain computerized control systems, managing temperature and defrost cycles. These systems are locked with proprietary software. If the software fails, the refrigerator becomes non-functional. The owner cannot reset the system. He cannot reprogram the computer. He must call a manufacturer-authorized service center. The diagnosis costs $150 to $200. The repair costs $400 to $600. Independent repair shops cannot access the software. Manufacturers deliberately lock them out through encryption and intellectual property claims. This is illegal under right to repair principles. Yet manufacturers aggressively pursue legal action against repair shops attempting to access the software. They claim intellectual property protection. The reality is repair prevention. The parts availability conspiracy. Manufacturers restrict parts availability to authorized dealers and service centers. An independent repair shop cannot purchase replacement components. A consumer cannot purchase parts for DIY repair. The manufacturer controls the supply chain deliberately. A replacement compressor costs $600 from a manufacturer-authorized dealer and $200 from an independent parts supplier. Manufacturers prevent independent suppliers from accessing components. They created artificial scarcity, forcing dealer dependency. This is monopoly behavior. Manufacturers use legal intimidation against independent parts suppliers. They claim counterfeit protection. The reality is profit protection. They want to maintain the repair monopoly indefinitely. The legal intimidation campaign. Manufacturers are actively pursuing legal action against independent repair shops. They claim copyright infringement when technicians access repair manuals. They claim trademark violation when shops use brand names describing repair services. They send cease and desist letters threatening shutdown. The intimidation works. Many independent shops close rather than face legal battles they cannot afford. This is organized anti-competitive behavior. Manufacturers use legal systems to eliminate competition. They prevent consumers from accessing affordable repair options. The goal is forcing replacement cycles through repair inaccessibility. What technicians do instead. Independent repair technicians refuse to work on modern refrigerators. They focus on refrigerators from before 2000. These machines are mechanically simple. They are repairable. They are profitable to service. A technician fixing a 1990 refrigerator compressor charges $400 and the customer saves $1,800 compared to replacement. A technician attempting to repair a 2019 refrigerator encounters locked software, sealed systems, and parts unavailability. The repair becomes impossible. The generational difference. Refrigerators manufactured from 1982 to 2000 routinely exceed 30-year lifespans. Components are replaceable. Repair costs are reasonable. Technicians can diagnose and fix problems efficiently. Refrigerators manufactured from 2010 onward fail at 5 to 7 years. Repairs cost more than replacement. Components are non-replaceable. Repair is technically impossible due to locked systems. This is not progress. This is regression, disguised as technology advancement. Older refrigerators were superior. They lasted longer. They cost less to maintain. They were repairable. If you need a refrigerator, purchase one from 1992-2005 on the used market. These machines are mechanically simple. They are repairable. They function reliably. They will last another 20 years. Cost is $200 to $400. You save $1,800 compared to new. You avoid the 5-year failure cycle. You support independent repair shops. You reject manufacturer control. Do not purchase new refrigerators with computerized controls and sealed systems. Do not participate in the planned obsolescence cycle. Buy vintage. Buy durable. Buy repairable. If you made it this far, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. I expose appliance industry deception and celebrate repair accessibility every single week. Share this video with anyone facing refrigerator repair costs. Let us build a community rejecting planned obsolescence and supporting independent repair.